Are you an experienced trader who's completely tired of getting average, mediocre results? Are you looking for your breakthrough in trading options? Or are you possibly a beginner trader who's just getting started and trying to find ways to save valuable time and saving years off the learning curve, trying to identify what's important and what's not when it comes to getting great results with trading options? Then you're definitely at the right place. Welcome to Options Trading Training and Coaching One-on-One. Now, let me share one little secret with you. Actually, it's a huge secret. If I was you, I would definitely take advantage of a one-on-one options trading training session. Here's what it will help you do. As you know, 99% of the trading is psychology. And from communicating and training and coaching a lot of traders day in and day out, I have identified 30 problems, 30 problem areas that many traders face daily. So let me ask you this. Do you find yourself facing any of the following problems when trading? And I'm going to go through this list very fast. So if you find something that pertains to you, I would like to address that over a 1 hour training one-on-one. Please understand, it's not a huge webinar with 100 or 200 or 300 other people there. You will be able to ask specific questions. I will be able to share specific answers with you that will be relevant to some of the areas where you may be experiencing issues. And I would like to address that before you start taking action on the options alerts that you will be receiving via phone. So let me describe the problem areas and you decide whether this is something you need or not. But again, if it was me, if I just subscribed to the options alerts, I would definitely want to get all types of ammunition I could possibly gather to make my execution 100%. Because as you know, execution is key to achieving the greatest results in trading. So problem area number one is not having a specific strategy. Well, we have the solution for that. We'll show you proven strategies so you can focus on a few simple things in a systematic way. No more guessing or hoping. Problem number two, not executing what you planned. I'll share the solution for that with you. We'll show you how to execute your plan precisely each and every time with a simple psychological formula so that you can turn into a highly effective trading machine. Problem number three, having too many positions at the same time. Problem solved. We will show you the optimum amount of positions for trading options so that you can manage your trades more effectively and profitably. Problem number four, panicking as soon as the trade starts going against you. Have you ever found yourself in a situation you placed a trade and then you look at the screen and you're like, oh my God, I just placed the trade. I'm already down 500 bucks. What's going on here? And what do? Naturally, you jump out, you close the trade, and what happens after that? Well, the stock goes your way. And if you just stayed in the trade for another 20 minutes, you would have made $500 or $1,000. But you're already out of the trade, and what do? Now you're faced with a decision. Do I chase the stock? Do I just get into the position again? Or what do I do? So if you ever been in such a situation, then we have the solution. We'll share the specific psychological techniques that will allow you to become a collective even if the market is crashing, so that you can have the full control of your trading without making any emotional mistakes. Problem number five is uncertainty. Do you catch yourself sometimes thinking, should I take the trade? Should I wait? Should I not take the trade? Will it make money or will it lose money? I sure hope it will make money, but what if it doesn't make money? If you're going for this, emotional process, if you're going through such a thought process before you're placing the trade, definitely take the one-on-one coaching session so we can address that before you start trading. Problem number six, changing your mind all the time about your trade and getting in and out of the trade too many times, resulting each time in taking a loss. Do you find yourself in a situation where you got into the trade, you made a little bit of money, or it looks like the trade is not working, you jump out, and then you change your mind again, and the still trade looks good now, and you get in, and then it goes against you, you get out, and then it looks good again, and you get in and you get out? Look, it is a very easy couple of steps that you could take to eliminate that type of behavior, because that behavior is destructive. It will cost you thousands of dollars if you insist in implementing such a strategy every day. So we will help you master a simple strategy so you can stop questioning your trades shortly after you open them, and so that you can trade with a peace of mind. Problem number 7 is overtrading. Got a super easy solution for that. Problem number 8, getting in the trade too early. We'll show you specifically when to determine when is the best time to get into the trade. So get that solution now. Problem number 9 is getting out of the trade too early. Have you looked at your computer screen and sometimes you're like, oh my God, I'm making such a good gain. I'd better collect my profits now before the trade starts reversing. So you do that. Let me ask you, what happens exactly after you do that? The stock goes even higher. And you're sitting there looking, oh my God, why did I just do that? I left like a few $1,000s of profit on the table. So discover the simple solution so you would never leave extra profits on the table ever again. Problem number 10 is getting out of the trade too late. Look, have you ever been in a situation where you're holding on to the trade and it looks like it's going to fall some more, and if it falls you're going to make so much more money, and you're just holding on to it, it looks like it's about to fall, it's just about to crash, and you got a ton of put options, and like everything just looks so good. The whole world seems to know that that stock is going nowhere but lower, and so you keep holding on, and what happens? The stock all of a sudden reverses and goes much higher, and your profits are completely evaporated. Look, there's 2 simple steps to implement so you would never let the market eat your hard-earned deserved profits. Problem number 11 is fear. Do you fear to take the trade sometimes? Do you fear of being wrong? Do you fear of losing after a bad trade? Well, get the simple solution now so that you can overcome the fear with a few specific steps and become the $1 million trader that you're truly destined to be. Problem number 12 is not having a plan. That's easily solved. We help you create a simple trading plan so you can have full clarity when trading. Problem number 13, not knowing how to generate fresh, profitable trading ideas. And of course, if you're subscribing to our trading alerts, this may not be a great deal of importance to you, but still, if you'd like to learn how to generate fresh, profitable trading ideas on your own, we show you multiple strategies and techniques of finding some of the most profitable trades each week so that you don't have to spend hours looking in the wrong places. Problem number 14 is not knowing how to properly read the charts. Done and solved. We will show you a simple way to look at the most complex charts so you can derive at easy trading decisions. Problem number 15, having too many indicators confusing you when to take action. Well, no problem, done, handled. You don't need 38 indicators to be a successful trader. All you need is 3. Which 3? Well, we'll reveal the most effective 3 so your trading is simple and effective. Problem 16, being overwhelmed with too much information. Solved, we share specifically few simple things that matter the most so you can eliminate all the extra noise and focus only on a few key things for effective trading. Problem 17, lack of patience. Look, it's all psychological. All you need to know is the 3 secrets that will help you improve in this area so you can beat the stock market at the game of chess. Get the solution now. Problem 18, trading based on hope rather than a specific system. Now that's a tough one. I think every trader has hoped for great success at one point, but without a system, it's simply impossible. So get the easy solution. We'll share our system with you so that you will never have to rely on hope, but rather trade with calculated decisions based on certain criteria so that you can enjoy more consistent results. Problem number 19, going short instead of going long. And when it's time to go long, you end up going short. Look, it's a super easy solution. Learn 3 steps in identifying the direction of the stock market and the underlying stock so that you will be able to be on the right side of the trade each and every time. Problem number 20, getting sidetracked with market noise and missing real opportunities. Get the solution for that now. It's 3 steps that will help you stay focused on the most profitable opportunities. Problem 21, getting out of the trade when you should be getting in, and vice versa. No problem. We got the solution for that as well. We will share with you our specific proprietary 13 market moves formula that will help you gain more precision in your trading. Problem number 22, having a hard time with determining the right size of your position. And guess what? We do have a very simple solution for position and size, so you can manage risk like a pro. Problem 23, being stressed out about overnight positions. Do you sometimes have a hard time falling asleep, worried about how the market will open in the morning? Well, worry no more. Brilliant solution to help you sleep and enjoy trading. Problem 24, getting out of trades too fast just to open new positions that look even more promising. Solved. Often the grass looks greener on the other side. Learn how to stick with your best trades so that you will have more solid and consistent results. Problem 25. Placing majority of your account towards one trade that you really love. Well, that is a typical formula to blow an account. So we help you solve that very easily as well. Learn specific psychological and statistical secret that would prevent you from doing this dangerous move so that you can preserve your capital and win in the markets both short-term and long-term. Problem 26, trying to prove that you're right and the market is wrong. Problem solved. Learn one crucial psychological secret that will take your trading to the next level. Problem 27, only lock in small gains while locking in huge losses. Solution delivered. Learn a bulletproof strategy for maximizing profits and minimizing losses that you can grow your account consistently. Problem 28. Doubling down on a losing trade, or what's also known in the world of trading as averaging. Now, you definitely don't want to do that on a losing trade. You don't want to add more to an already losing position. Trading is not a casino. Learn to take the right actions to avoid losses. Problem 29, hoping for a lucky trade to save your trading account. Look, trading is not based on luck, but rather a combination of statistical probability meshed with a specific strategy for the certain type of market environment. Let me ask you a serious question. Look, it doesn't hurt anybody to be once in a while lucky. I mean, look, hitting a jackpot for 400 million, it wouldn't hurt no one, right? But let me ask you this. If you're really trying to learn a skill, if you want it to be consistent, profitable type trading that will persevere the crashes, that will persevere the bull markets when you're trying to be a bear, when it will persevere the test of time. We're not talking about luck. We're talking about consistency and sustainability over time. In other words, you don't want to just be given a fish so you can feed yourself once. You want to learn the skill of fishing so you can feed yourself for a lifetime. And if you'd like to know how to do that, get the solution now. Problem number 30, not focusing on a few simple things that truly matter. Look, I know the markets sometimes are so exciting, it's just so hard. You got a great trade going on right here. You got another great opportunity. Here the news comes out on this stock. Look, and you just want to, you want to make the best of everything. And sometimes the best thing is to focus. Well, in order to focus, you have to know specifically on which things to focus on. So with this simple process, it will help you identify the key things to focus so you can be a successful trader. Get the solution now. So if you've identified some of the areas where you definitely need some coaching, where you need some training, where you'd like to improve on, definitely just hit this big orange button right now. Say yes, schedule my training now. Look, if you're not ready to schedule your session, that's fine too. I just want you to consider one thing only. If you can just learn 2 or 3 simple things out of this training session before you go out and start trading again tomorrow, before you start trading again next week. And if those 2 or 3 simple things could have really impacted your trading in a profound way to where in one trade you could make 2,000-3,000, or if you trade with bigger volume, what if you could discover 2 or 3 simple things that could have helped you make 8,000? I mean, I have traders last week that have made in excess of 50,000, 60,000, actually 150 to $200,000 on some of the trades that were placed on some of the certain stocks. So if you're interested in knowing this, if you're interested in learning 2 or 3 extra secrets, 2 or 3 extra core fundamentals, 2 or 3 couple of simple things that would get you to your breakthrough in trading, this is probably going to be the best hour that you could spend learning about options. Let me tell you about myself a little bit. I've struggled as a trader for many years until I have discovered a few foundational principles that I use daily in trading. And when I discovered them, I've been able to raise my trading level to an entirely new level. I was able to trade $12,000 into $466,000 in less than 7 hours. Yes, you heard it right. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I actually did it. This record is a personal record of mine, which I'm yet to break again. And I've had multiple cases where I've made, percentage gains over 5,000%, but they took place over the course of 48 hours or 72 consecutive hours. So when I bring that example, 12,000 to 466,000 in less than 7 hours, it truly is a record that I set. Actually, if you schedule the coaching session, I'll send you directly to your email my brokerage statement that lists every detail of how I traded that day, which stocks did I trade, which options did I use, puts or calls, out of the money, in the money. You'll see everything. So sometimes knowing a few small things can make a profound, huge difference. So if you strive to be a better trader, if you want to really learn this business, that every little small thing that could help you gain the momentum, that could help you gain a competitive edge, is worthwhile investing in. So with that, I'd like to invite you one more time to say yes. Schedule your training now so that you can make this trading year your best trading year ever. Life is too short. Don't waste another minute. Take action now.